Hey everybody, Chris Bystead here from Guarantee RV in Junction City. We've got a great buy on this 24 URS Outback Ultralight. Boy, if you need a really lightweight trailer that can sleep the whole family in comfort and style, and is also a toy hauler where you can throw a few bikes, got a few bunks, this is the one you want right here. Let's take a look at it. Now look, you see this big door that's right here? This opens up, that's your ramp, and you can load up your recreational vehicles or anything that you want to take with you right through that ramp. And here's what it looks like on the other side of that ramp. So you've got tie downs, place to put anything that you would need to tie down in here. Look at this, you've even got extra bunks right here. So you can use it as storage or sleeping extra people, which is super great. You've even got some storage in here. Really neat floor plan. There is a privacy divider for people who would be sleeping in this room. They could be sleeping and changing and everything in privacy. And then we have this bathroom. So you've got a little tub and a shower, medicine cabinet, a few cabinets and a skylight and a fan. Adequate to do everything that you need to get done in there. I really think it's fantastic having this. Look at this big old sink. It's one of the things I like about these big sinks is, you know, you don't have to be eating off the Barbie dishes. You can actually have full-size pots and pans and plates right here and get them washed and clean. You've got your microwave, your 3-burner stove, and oven. Right here we've got a Jensen DVD Bluetooth stereo that is hooked up to your TV right here, and this articulates out so you can see it all around, which is nice. Your refrigerator is back here, and your freezer, and it's a big one, made by Dometic. Lots of room for food there, lots of extra space for food right in this pantry with a drawer. And you're going to need a little bit of space because you got a lot of mouths to feed if you're probably running this trailer. Take a look at this nice couch. It flips down into another place where you could sleep people. You also have a really nice little dinette across from it right here, and that also can flip down into more sleeping space. And what everyone loves about the Outbacks is you got this big, huge, king-size bed back here, and it slides out the back, thus the name Outback, right? Look at this mattress. Really nice. Everything is ready to go on this, and the price is fantastic. I'm telling you right now, this would be an amazing rig for a family who wants to get out there and bring their toys to the fun. It also has a little outdoor kitchen I want to show you real fast, and then I want you to give me a call because this isn't going to stay around very long. My name is Chris Bystead. My number is 541-636-7878, and take a look at this quick little kitchen right here, and it's locked, but that's okay, it's there. So come see me. I'll show you this in person, and maybe you could have this in your driveway this weekend.